Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today I want to share my thoughts with you guys. It's all about this Crosstour CT9500 action camera. 2 months ago I have made a video reviewing and testing this camera. You can check down below the description these videos. I have used this camera about 4 or 5 times. I have decided to take it with me at my vacation. And after 1 month that I made this testing video, this camera was broken. It's not working anymore with no reason. That happened when I was shooting a 4K video outside under the sun, no water, no dust. Well, and as you can see, when I'm connecting to the power, it's not doing anything at all. It's not turning on, nothing. And just to see, when I'm connecting to charge the batteries, we can see we've got power. The battery is charged. Well, let's replace the battery. Of course, I have done all this by myself. Now, just for the video, I'm showing you guys that is not working. Replacing the battery, trying to turn it on again. It's not turning on. It's dead. Well, I have contacted the company, many emails, 1 month ago. They did reply, yes, correct, but all the time they say, we don't have the camera, we are waiting for restock, and again and again. And I have decided to share my thoughts with you guys, because I think the honest thing for a creator is just saying the truth, not hiding anything from the viewers. Well, it is what it is. The camera is not working. Honestly, I'm still waiting from the company to send me the new one, the replacement camera. I am a little bit skeptical if they do that. All the time I'm getting emails, we are restocking. Well, and I have decided today to open this camera and see how it looks inside. It is all about disassembly today. Well, let's start doing that. Let's remove the battery. I can see we've got 2 screws from this side. Don't need the batteries. And another 2 screws from this side. I don't see any other screws, not even inside on the battery compartment. Let's check, and in the micro USB charging, no, nothing. Now let's take this pointed knife. Trying not to break anything, but I don't care at this moment. It's already broken. Okay. I don't see any. Oh, there's a cable that connects the display. Okay. And there is a plastic inside. That was holding the tape that is being connected to the board from the display. And let's move that up. And there it is. That was the tape that was connected in this board. And this is the screen, the display. Now let's move on and take out these screws. We've got this metallic plate. I think it is like a heatsink. It's cooling down when you are shooting on 4K. Yeah, did I mention that when I'm shooting on 4K it's getting too hot? Okay, there we are. And we've got another 2 screws. We need to remove the speaker. There's the speaker. We've got another separate board here. Buttons falling down. Let's take this out. There's the connection. And we need to take this tape out. There it is. Well, another tape here is holding the camera lens. And now we have separated the camera lens from the main body. Nice. And we can see inside we've got the buttons here, connection for the micro USB for charging, connection for the micro SD, display port output, connect to HDMI, and other buttons here and here, the speaker. And here we've got another board, some plastics. We've got another 1, 2, 3 screws. Let's take them out. And here is the compartment for the battery. In here we can see we've got the Wi-Fi module, and this sticker inside, it is the antenna. Can take this out. And this is the antenna with the Wi-Fi module, you can see. And that was all. We've got the plastic chassis. And everything is here now. Disassemble it. Full disassemble. Now let me show you one by one. There's the main board. See how it looks. Well, I'm not going to identify the problem. Board's electronics are so small. And the same from the other side. And the Wi-Fi module. Nice. And of course we've got the lens. Nice. Well, that is all the electronic parts inside. Now you know, guys, how it looks. And I was hoping to see something inside that it has caused this problem not to work, this action camera. I'm just waiting now for the replacement. I hope it will be soon that. When a company selling a product needs to have a great service, a great after-sale service, and not only to care for selling products. Well guys, that was all about. Now you're smarter. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video. You never know who may need it. Some other buyers. They may interesting to see how it looks inside. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.